And in business news, to deepen trade ties between Nigeria and India, experts have called for the need to explore new areas of opportunities, such as artificial intelligence, technology, health, among others. This is a unanimous call at a business forum put together by the Nigerian Indian Chamber of Commerce to further strengthen the partnership between Nigeria and India. Frank Omalape has details.
The evening witnessed the gathering of bankers, investors, economists and experts in different fields of professions for the exchange of ideas. The emphasis is to diversify trade relations beyond traditional sectors to reflect a forward-thinking approach to enhancing economic cooperation between Nigeria and India.
The opportunities are vast, very immense. India being the fifth largest economy in the world and having products and services that Nigeria can benefit from. It's an opportunity to explore all those businesses that we can do together.
Right now, the annual trade volume between Nigeria and India is somewhere in the region of between 10 to 15 billion US dollars, and it's growing annually. Now, there are a number of things that are ensuring that this trade flow grows: fintech, IT, education, health, engineering, oil and gas. The space is almost endless.
The evening, which also witnessed a change of leadership for the business community, emphasized the need for strong collaborations in key areas of opportunities for growth. Among these areas highlighted are artificial intelligence, technology and health sectors, among others.
New areas like artificial intelligence or fintech or various other issues which are coming in, technology-based solutions to various problems that we would be facing. Those kind of activities are something that we are looking forward to engaging between the two countries.
Electric vehicles are the rage now. India is quite great, not just in India, but Indian companies outside India. For example, India has taken over the motor industry in the UK. So we would love a situation where they bring some of that expertise to Nigeria.
Trade statistics reveal that Nigeria and India have maintained robust bilateral trade relations over the years. With India's expertise in technology and Nigeria's growing market potential, there is a significant opportunity for collaboration that can drive economic growth for both countries. Frank Omalape, TVC News, Lagos.
Again, the United States government has restated its commitment aimed at improving ties with Nigerian businesses through investment and creating more opportunities to strengthen entrepreneurship. This assurance was given by the U.S. Assistant Secretary of State for Educational and Cultural Affairs at the indoor exhibition of art which held in Lagos. Abimbola Akintaju covered this report.
Every year, March is designated Women's History Month, set aside to honor women's contributions to history and the nation's development. To celebrate this year's Women's History Month, the U.S. government put together an exhibition of art titled The Strength of a Woman to celebrate Nigerian women playing in the arts and business community.
We're showcasing the work of graduates of the Academy of Women Entrepreneurs, which is a U.S. government-sponsored program here in Nigeria to support female entrepreneurs, to help them take their business ideas or their small businesses and grow them.
Strength of a Woman is all about, collaboration between the United States, to show people out there that we have dynamic, unique women who are doing fantastic well. I tell you, this field is like a male dominant field, but I tell you, the few female among them are very strong. They stand firm and they are doing great piece.
High points of the event were 5 female artists whose works were highlighted and the showcasing of products by alumni of the Academy for Women Entrepreneurs, a U.S. government exchange program that helps women start and grow their businesses.
It's about bilateral trade, so U.S. trade to Nigeria and supporting Nigerian trade to the United States. So a lot of the work that we do with the Academy of Women Entrepreneurs is about supporting these young entrepreneurs and helping them develop an export strategy, helping them get certified to bring their goods into the United States. And under the Africa Growth and Opportunities Act, AGOA, they're allowed to export duty-free.
We need to really financially include women entrepreneurs. Part of one of the things that we're working towards is having women have a minimum of 20% of procurement from governments, and of course, facilities for women, involvement of women, in decision making when it comes to entrepreneurs.
Everyone here agrees that Nigerian women are breaking barriers and redefining traditional gender roles in entrepreneurship with their unwavering determination to stand out at all times.
The stock market again recorded low indices in various sectors following persistent profit-taking. Effiong Ekop reports.
Previous weeks of higher shares prices now tempt many investors and fund managers in the stock market to go for profit takings on their investments. The trend, which began on Monday, continues Tuesday, leading to market index to drop by 0.11% in response to crashes of shares prices. Transcorp PLC and MTN Nigeria were most affected by the price drop, each trading downward by more than 3%. The market lost cumulative value of over 2 billion naira on the back of shares prices drops. Other stocks with depressed values included Zenith Bank, GT Holdings, and Transcorp Power. First Bank Holding was able to make a 9% value gain as investors moved in favor of its shares. Other trade gainers included United Capital, Flour Mills, WAPCO Cements, and UBA. The volume of deals crossed on the floor was 306 million units, while trade value showed 7.5 billion naira. Market watchers say the current trade corrections may not last long. Effiong Ekop, TVC News, Lagos.
And crude oil prices dipped today due in part to the prospect of rising supply from Russia, slower than expected downstream demand in the sectors such as jet fuel, and cautious trading ahead of the Fed's decision on U.S. interest rates. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to sell at $82.81 with a price margin of 0.11% upward. Brent crude recorded a price decline of 0.02%, sell at $86.87. And Bonny Light rose to sell at $88.76 with an upward price margin of 1.28%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers are offering $84.74 with an upward price review of 0.56%.